Hello friends, welcome to the channel Alex the GST. Today we will be bathing Alex, and you can see as I am pouring water on him. Alex is a very playful puppy, and as you can see he is playing with water and also trying to bite it with his teeth. So you will enjoy this video, I can guarantee you that. And along with that, the main important thing that I want to tell you is how to bathe your dog. So over here Alex does not have any problem with bathing, so I'll just drench him properly. You should do the same with your dog. Just let it be fun for him. Bathing should be fun for your dog, and that's how he will be able to trust you. It should be happy and playful experience for your dog. So first of all, you need to drench your dog properly. Watch the video to know how. So friends, as you can see, Alex is enjoying the bath, and as soon as I finish drenching him properly, I'll just take some shampoo and apply it on his body. The shampoo is mild. I have already added water into the bottle of the shampoo because there's not much shampoo left. It's enough for a bath for one time. So I'll be just applying it on his body, and you should clean all the parts of your dog's body. You can see I'm cleaning his rear end. And he's also enjoying it. So bathing should be fun for your dog. Dogs love to play with water. I cannot say about all the dogs, but most of the dogs love to play with water. So let it be an awesome experience for your dog. Let them enjoy the bath. And over here you can see that Alex ran away, so you should hold your dog tightly. That was a mistake on my part, and I will never repeat it again. As you see now, I'll be applying shampoo on his body, and you should apply the shampoo thoroughly and clean the body thoroughly. Watch the video and enjoy it. If you enjoy the video and like this video, if you get anything helpful for you, then please like, share and subscribe to the channel. Please do support us so that we can keep uploading more beautiful videos like this for you guys. The shampoo that I am using is not very costly, yeah, but it has very good smell. Alex loves the smell. I also like the smell, and I will advise you to use a shampoo that is gentle on your dog. Plus, if the dog likes the scent of the shampoo, then it's very good. In my opinion, dogs too should like the smell of the shampoo. Friends, over here I would like to add one thing, that you should bathe your dog in an open space, because sometimes your dog would leave a very foul smell, and if you bath him in your bathroom, then the smell will stay there for a very long time, maybe 1 or 2 hours or even 3 4 hours. So you won't like the smell and you would like to run out of your house. So you might consider bathing him in an open space because the smell would just dissipate away.
I'm walking around in the circle of life, doing the things I know, walking the same ways 100 times with the same soul. But do you ever try to path on the right side, put it up in your mind? But do you ever try to path on the left side, put it up in your mind?
Now I'll clean the shampoo thoroughly. You should always remember to clean the shampoo thoroughly from the body of your dog, because if it stays there it might be itchy for him and uncomfortable, and sometimes it might lead to infections. So you should remember to clean it properly. And after bathing your dog, you should pat him dry and not use a hair dryer on him, because that would be harmful for his coat, and also it might be uncomfortable for the dog. So please do not do that. You should pat him dry and just don't leave him free after bathing him, because he will try to run and play and do all sorts of things. He will become very active after the bath, especially in the summer seasons. Over here you will see that I will cover the ears of my dog, even though I have put some cotton in his ears, because I would not want water to enter the ears of my dog. It will be very uncomfortable for him, and sometimes you might need to call the doctor, because he will be whining and whining and whining. It will be very painful for him and he won't be able to understand what is happening with him. So you might consider that. With dogs who have erect ears like Siberian Husky, German Shepherd, and Alaskan Malamute,
talking about the same old stories they've heard about the people they think they know. But do you ever try?
Friends, thank you for watching Alex the GST. If you like this video, then please like, share and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching Alex the GST.